5 класс, английский язык. Это мой день рождения. Домашнее задание. Страница 100. English, Spotlight 5. It's my birthday. Homework page 100. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. 100. Страница 100. Exercise number 1. Reading. Close your eyes and listen to the music. Where are you? What are you doing? Who else is with you? It's my birthday. Закрой глаза, послушай музыку. Где ты оказался? Что ты делаешь? Кто еще с тобой? The answer. I am at a party. I am dancing and singing. I am with my friends. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, letter A. Look at the pictures and read the first sentence of each text. How are they related to the title? Listen, read and check. Посмотрите на картинки и прочитайте первое предложение каждого текста. Как они соотносятся с заголовком? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. Britain. In Britain, we have a party to celebrate our birthdays. Everyone brings a small gift. My mom always makes me a birthday cake. We have a table full of food, crisps, sandwiches, small cakes and chocolate biscuits, ice cream and very small sausages you eat on a stick. I just love them. We decorate the house with balloons and I play party games with my friends. It's fantastic. John. China. Birthday celebrations are very special in China. We eat very long noodles that mean we will have a long life. I eat them in soup and try not to cut them because it's unlucky. We also eat red eggs. Red is a special color in China. It always means something happy and brings good luck. We decorate the house with the red paper, and all the family comes for a party. We also get money in red envelopes. It's fun. Lee. The answer. I think the text is about the ways people celebrate birthdays in different countries. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2, letter B. Read the text. How do the British and the China celebrate birthdays? What do the pictures show? Прочитайте текст. Как британцы и китайцы отмечают день рождения и что нарисовано на картинках. The pictures show the special types of food: birthday cake, sandwiches, chocolate biscuits, noodle soup, red eggs. British and Chinese people eat when they celebrate their birthdays. One picture shows balloons. In Britain, people invite their friends to parties and everyone gives a small gift. They have a birthday cake and lots of food. They decorate their houses and play games. Chinese people eat noodles and red eggs. They decorate their houses with red paper and have parties with their families. They also get money in red envelopes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Imagine you are planning a birthday party. Decide what food you need. Представьте, что вы планируете вечеринку по случаю дня рождения. Решите, какая еда вам нужна. Shall we have some chocolate biscuits? Yes, that's a great idea. What about sandwiches? I don't like sandwiches. Can we have pizza? The answer. How about having a cake? That sounds great. Shall we have some Coke? Good idea, I like Coke. Maybe we'll have sandwiches. Yes, of course. And I think we'll cook some sausages on grill. Great. It'll be a lovely party. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Writing a magazine entry. Write a short magazine entry about birthdays in your country. From 50 to 60 words. Write about food, decorations, activities. Напишите короткую заметку в газету о днях рождения в твоей стране. 50-60 слов. Напиши о еде, украшениях, развлечениях. The answer. Birthdays in our country are celebrated in every family. It is tradition to invite a lot of guests and have a big party. People usually cook a great number of tasty dishes and decorate their houses. A must-have of any birthday party in our country is a birthday cake with candles in it. We play traditional party games, dance, and sing songs. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once,